How to delete Jackson Hewitt account. So for this, go ahead and open any of a browser that you prefer and search for jacksonhewitt.com and wait for it to load. Now once here at the very top, you will see login and sign in option. So firstly, log into your account by tapping on my JH account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will find the account setting option at the very top. You simply have to go ahead and tap on the option. Now from here on the account setting, you will see the option called delete or deactivate account. You simply have to select the option of delete. Now before you delete your account, make sure that you will also be deleting your tax history, your tax payment, and every statement that is linked within your account. If you still want to delete your account, you have to go ahead and verify that is you. For that, it will also send you an email that you need to be verified. They will ask you for further verification that may include any of your citizenship number, security card number, and social security number. So once you give them with all the verification and a reason why you want to delete your account, you can go ahead and delete your account successfully and make sure that it is permanent and you won't be able to restore it again. If you face any problem relating to your deletion account, you can go ahead and check out the help center of the Jackson Hewitt. For that, you can just go ahead and search for Jackson Hewitt support, and right there you will find a couple of options. So as you can see, it has already provided you with the customer service line where you can contact and share your problem. If not, simply tap on this contact us link where you will be redirected to the official contact us or help support. So right there you see there is three options, that is live chat, call us, and visit an office. If there is any office or branch office nearby you, you can go ahead and visit there, and from there you will be able to delete your account live in person. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.